Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. You know what's this? This is the Italian sandwich and this is a pizza. Like the title say, today I'm going to show you how to make the Philly cheesesteak sandwich Italian style and the Philly cheesesteak Neapolitan pizza. But this is my version. I want to show you everything A to Z, and also I'm bringing you to the Italian butcher. So you are going to see the real Italian way how to make the Philly cheesesteak. And at the end of this video, we are going to see a few Italians what they think of the Philly cheesesteak. They don't even know what's Philly. Philly is like Philadelphia. This is a street food from Philadelphia. And here we are in Italy. After years and years, we are making the Italian version of the Philly cheesesteak. Philly Italy cheesesteak. Let's go ahead, let's wrap it up. Let's see this video from the beginning. Let's go! Buongiorno Piero. È possibile avere una fetta di New York steak? Devo affettare alla affettatrice? Yes, that's the perfect slice. No, penso che basta così. And that's how they do the steak here in Italy. To my friend, insane. That's the Italian meat, the Italian butcher. And this is how they save the quality meat. Guga, if you are watching this, please let me know in comment what you think. We got our steak and now let's go in the pizzeria and let's make this preparation of the Philly cheesesteak pizza. Here we go guys, we got the meat. Let's go ahead and let's prepare. Let me show you a couple of things. Look at this. We using here, this is tonight we are open, and we are using the pizza romana. So this is a par-baked dough at a lower temperature. This way, when we're going to put all the ingredients, we cook at the regular temperature and then the pizza comes out really nice, soft and crunchy in the same time. So come back with me, let's go. This is the regular dough and it's ready at the point. We're ready to make the pizza. You can see my other videos of how to make the dough. I have a bunch of videos, so follow that recipe to see how it's made. But right now, I'm here to prepare the beef, the steak that we got from the butcher in Italy. Look at this. That's how it is. Beautiful cut, perfect for our pizza. So let's go ahead and let's prepare everything. So because I don't have a grill here, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Pit Boss grill. I'm gonna put it right here and then turn it on, warm it up. Let's prepare a couple of ingredients and give me 1 second. Guys, we have our Philly steak ready. We have our steak and onions ready. So let's go ahead and let's transfer everything to the pizza counter and let's rock and roll. I'm gonna show you a few items, not just the pizza. Here we go guys, everything is ready to make these beautiful items that we're gonna make today with Philadelphia ingredients. The Philly cheesesteak. I decided to make the whole video because he deserves. The taste of this pizza is incredible, and today I'm going to let my customer taste this pizza in my pizza place here in soft and crunchy. This is the dough, like you can see, it's nice, soft and crunchy, nice, perfect fermented. The oven is at 400 on the top and about 300 Celsius on the bottom. So the oven is also ready. So the first item here is gonna be flour, the sandwich, my way of making sandwich. Probably you guys saw this online before because everybody is making it. It's so easy, so simple. Just grab one pizza dough, just stretch lightly, not too big. You wanna have about 10 inches pizza. The top goes on the bottom. Now we'll go ahead, spread the olive oil and whipping cream. That's the base of our pizza. Of course, guys, this is not the original ingredients, but that's my way of making basically the Philly cheesesteak sandwich as a pizza or also Italian sandwich. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and don't touch it anymore. You wanna just land it down. Done. Before making the pizza, let's go ahead and let's cook this sandwich. Pinch it. We wanna have a nice, good-looking F moon right in the front of the pizza oven. Now we cook it until it's nice and brown color. Here we go. The sandwich is nice, not all the way cooked because we don't want to have it all the way cooked. It's like gold color, like you can see, nice and brown. Now go ahead, when it's hot, while it's hot, go ahead and open up just like that. That's it, don't touch it anymore. Place this on a plate, and let's go ahead and let's make the pizza and the sandwich together. Flour, like a beautiful Neapolitan pizza here. Done. In the flour, stretch, press the air to the crust. Now go ahead and land it down, don't touch it anymore, make sure it's not sticky. Voila, perfect circle. We're gonna make a base of a little bit of whipping cream, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. That's our base. Go ahead and spread the cheese everywhere. We're gonna go ahead and part bake this pizza for about just a few seconds. The time to get a nice gold crunchy, good looking crust. Here we go, we have a part baked crust. Land it down, pom pom pom. Let it cool down a little bit, just the time to evaporate. The reason why I did the part bake is because we already have the steak nice and cooked. Let's go ahead and let's spread the onions and the steak everywhere. Let's go ahead and let's do the sandwich here. Same thing, we're gonna put a nice full amount of steak, onions and everywhere. Now let's go ahead and let's put the fresh mozzarella on top. We put a little bit of cheese inside just because we want to have the nice flavor of the steak and the onions. So that's the whole reason why. Then here, same thing. We put just a little bit of cheese. Now let's go ahead and let's put the olive oil on the crust. This one we just put lightly there and lightly on top of the crust. And let's go ahead and let's recook it until they are done. So stay tuned, smash the like, subscribe, and watch until the end and share. So let's go ahead and let's see the final product. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The pizza is spectacular ready. Voila. And the sandwich is spectacular ready. But the most important thing, let's hear. Shh. Shh. Nice and crunchy. But I want to give it a nice Italian look before I present it to you. Tuk. And just like right there. Tuck. Olive oil. Olive oil on the crust to give it a nice gold color. And guys, I presented to you the Philly cheesesteak pizza and Italian sandwich. Tell me what you think in the comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. If you have so many ideas, let me know. Oh yeah, we're gonna taste. I forgot the taste. We're gonna taste. What do you do? Let's taste.
The best part of the video.
Yeah. Here we go. Domenico in the camera. Domenico is the videographer and the editor. And let's go ahead. I'm gonna taste.
And the eater.
And
no,
the eater.
Eater.
I'm gonna go ahead and taste the pizza.
The pizza?
But definitely it's the same.
It's the
so
same.
tell me what you think of this. Do you know what's Philly cheesesteak?
No, I never tasted before.
Oh my god.
Oh.
What's the taste?
So the taste is, guys, wait a second because it's really delicious.
Oh my god.
The taste is insane. I never tasted before the Philly cheesesteak, but I
The
think
sweet, you have the sweetness of the onions
oh, it's good.
and the steak, insane taste. Wow.
Of course. So it's in a good contrast.
It is.
So-
I'm gonna eat. You talk.
Yeah. No. I mean too. I don't know how it is with the provolone cheese, but with mozzarella, of course, is fantastic. So I probably is one of the best ingredients on top of the pizza, or in this
Which
in this
one?
case.
The steak?
Yeah, this kind of ingredients. Is,
The best pizza?
I think is
It's
good.
insane.
It's good. It's really good.
Wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Tell me what we should taste next if you have some ideas, and we will make it. So, promise. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.